All right, so it says on example 3, let vector v have the components of 2, 3, and vector w has components of negative 4, 1. Let's find each expression. Well, if we're finding vector v plus vector w, then we're going to take their first components and add them, and their second components and add them. And we have negative 2 times vector v. So that's just going to be negative 2. Vector v is what? 2 has components of 2, 3. So what are we going to do with that negative 2? Yeah, we're going to distribute it through. So we get negative 2 times 2 and negative 2 times 3. So negative 4, negative 6. All right, example 3, letter C, says we're going to take 2 times vector v and then subtract vector w. So I'm going to set it up. So 2 times vector v minus vector w. Well, did we multiply or subtract first? Multiply. So we're going to do this part. So we end up with the components of 4, 6. And we're going to subtract vector w from that. So remember, that means subtract your first components and then subtract your second components. Okay, and then D. What do those 2 bars mean? The magnitude. Well, do we know what 2v minus w is? Yes, if we didn't, we'd have to find it, but we just found that in C, didn't we? So they're really telling us we're looking for the magnitude of, what did we get? The components, yes, the components of 8, 5, right? How do we find the magnitude? Remember, it's the square root of our first component squared plus the second component squared. So square what's underneath, add them together, and then see if you can reduce it, which you cannot.